Have you ever questioned the control you had on your own future? To quote Dean Kamen, the inventor of the Segway and founder of FIRST, FIRST is more than robots. The robots are a vehicle for the students to learn important life skills. Kids often come not knowing what to expect of the program or themselves. They leave even after the first session with a vision, with confidence, and with the sense that they can create their own future. Now, you may be wondering, what is FIRST? FIRST, which stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology, is a global organization with the goal of helping students figure out their futures by exploring science, technology, engineering, and math fields through robotics. While it's not all about robotics, it does make up a majority of what FIRST is. There are 4 age divisions of FIRST Robotics: Junior FIRST LEGO League, FIRST LEGO League, FIRST Tech Challenge, and FIRST Robotics Competition, which are grades K through 4, 4 through 8, 7 through 12, and 9 through 12 respectively. FIRST does a lot of work, especially for a non-profit organization, to help the students that are in the programs after they graduate. According to firstinspires.org, FIRST website, there are around $50 million worth of scholarships given out every year to students participating in one of their thousands of robotics teams. Along with access to scholarship money, FIRST also gives access to companies and people that no normal student would have access to. During my short time with FIRST Team 16, Bomb Squad, which is Mountain Home's local FRC team, I met the CEO of Baxter Healthcare International, E. Alameda, Grant Imahara from Mythbusters, and also the lead consultant of the US Megabot program, which is a giant robot that is designed to fight Japan's giant robot they're building. And even will.i.am, the famous musician who's also an avid FIRST supporter. It's not just amazing people FIRST gives its students access to either. There are also once-in-a-lifetime experiences to be gained. According to firstinspires.org, an article by FedEx, and my own personal experiences, in 2013, 5 FIRST Robotics competition teams, including Bomb Squad from Mountain Home, led the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and they even cut the ribbon. For most of these teams and the members on them, they had never gotten to go to New York before, let alone be in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. There's also the FIRST World Championship, where the best teams from all over the world meet and compete. There are a few other situations where in an American high school, you could meet people from Brazil, Australia, China, and Germany, and still have things in common to talk about. A common misconception about FIRST, though, is that it's all about robotics. While it is basically the main factor, it's not the only thing that students get involved in or compete with. There are many side things along with robotics to do on a team besides building and designing the robot. For example, teams need an accurate list of all the parts, which is a compliance officer to know everything and how much they cost. There also needs to be a team business plan, which needs to be all the expenses planned out and how the team uses them to benefit everybody around them. And even there's a media team who photographs the team to post on their social media. They design their team website, and even they're the ones that design their team shirts and the logos. So, therefore, no matter what you're interested in, if it's engineering, business, art, or more, FIRST has just about something for everybody. It is in these sort of things that FIRST gives to those students who put many hours of effort into their program, and these are the sort of things that make an amazing influence on many young people all over the world. If you've ever been worried that future generations might question the control of their own futures, now you know that FIRST is there as a potential way to help them. Thank you.